So alright everyone, I might be having a little bit of fun at the expense of the genre of first start videos. This mower is my backup mower, and it has been sitting for about 12 to 15 years without being started at all. But I think this is more of the case of proper storage as opposed to skill or luck or the longevity of a Briggs Stratton engine. When I stored this, I drained the fluid real well and cleaned it out of the tank. That's why the tank looks spotless. And I ran it dry, and I believe I sprayed some WD-40 in the cylinder, although that didn't work. You saw the cylinder was locked up, and I'm gonna just do a quick tune-up on it, make sure everything's working properly because my sister-in-law needs it. If you notice, this line here is coming apart. I think that it started when I parked it actually, but I figured why put a new line on it when I'm going to park it for who knows how long. Okay, so if I pull this all the way through, how do I hold it? There we go. Okay, we'll take our new one, thread it in there. No. Totally wrong. Totally wrong. There we are. Alright, get some knot on the other side. Cut off the excess. And let it go. And there we go. Kind of wish I'd have got some rags before I did this. Oh, that's good. That's great. Centerpiece. Alright, I'm just going to roast some carb clean down in here. It looks dirtier than it is, and if this doesn't work, I'll have to take it off and clean it, but I think this will be alright. Alright, I put a little gas in it. It looks like the primer valve was working. I don't know if you can see down in there or not. I can't see on the camera. So I'm going to put it together. and run this little bit of gas that's in it, warm the oil up, and then we'll change it. We'll see if it runs on its own. So, I forgot to mention, I did not have any mice nests in this. You know, you watch enough Musty One videos and other videos, and Harvey Spooner, he always has mice in his stuff. We both do. But I have the #1 time-tested, proven mice pest removal service there is. And whenever I find one after I ran their mower, they usually scatter. I'll take a picture of one. It's a cat, by the way. Actually, 2 cats. Actually, the dogs do a good job with the mice too. They've caught a couple in the backyard. So I encourage you to use their services. You can see how right now he is really on the prowl. Very alert, ready to attack anything at any moment. I mean, unless the lawnmower's running, then he'd run off scared. So I say we change the oil and then we're done. Oh, no, we're not done. I gotta sharpen the blade. This is the Musty One method of draining your oil. I tend to agree with him. This has a drain plug on the motor. You see right here. But I kind of guarantee I'd have a lot of problem getting that out of there. And if I did get it out of there, I might actually break the case. So I'm just going to drain it this way. It's good enough. That's 10. I already put a little bit in, so. And I thought, nah, better. That looks like beer. Damn, I'm good. I just used a grinder to put a quick grind on it. A little body work while I'm here. Next time tell me I had the blade on upside down. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.